Okay, I'm going to share my Venn diagram with you one more time. This is our last special parallelogram. If this Venn diagram is all my parallelograms, I have my two subsets, rhombus and rectangle. Where those two subsets overlap is going to be my square. Okay? The definition of a square, again, this is one most people are pretty comfortable with. Okay? If you know something's a square, then you know that all four sides and angles are congruent. It's a regular quadrilateral. Okay, I'll talk about that more another time. So anyway, again, I want to talk about this Venn diagram to reinforce Venn diagrams. A square, this part where the square is, it's inside. Well, it's inside parallelogram, so what does that mean? That means all these properties are true. It's inside the rhombi subset, which means that they have all the properties of a rhombus. All squares are rhombi. So that means that all these are true. And then all squares are rectangles. It's completely inside the rectangle subset. So that means that these properties are true for a square. So everything on this page is going to be true for the square. The square is my favorite one to problem solve with because any property that I can conceive of is going to be true for the square. Okay? So what does this look like in the picture? Because it's a rhombus, the sides are congruent. And because it's a rectangle, the angles are congruent, which makes them all 90 degrees. Okay? So you do need to memorize these properties. This is not something that they share with you on the formula sheet. Okay, so hopefully as you do the practice on pages 2 through 7, you'll kind of get those down. The more you look at them, the more you practice them, the better you're going to remember them.